How is the CF plate? Is it better than my previous plate? Yes, it's better than a full FR4 for feel, at least.
I think it's better than a
sound.
full FR4.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it sounds
So
nice.
keep in mind that the half FR4 had completely different fucking switches in it.
Mm-hmm.
So, apples and oranges.
I like it.
Yeah?
Yeah. It's not my favorite, but I like it. It's not bad. I think I preferred it with the half plate, but that's just me. Just overall in terms as like a.
I was trying to do something unique because I have a half plate on my Jane 2, so I'm just like, fuck it. I don't want to have two Janes with very, very similar builds.
This is like if you had a build with silent switches, but without the softness that comes with silent switches. It feels that muted, almost.
Yeah, they are very muted.
And hella smooth, because cream PE is.
Yeah, it feels good. That's why I like it.
I like
because
it.
It feels good.
Nice.
All right, I got something else for you to try.
Am I gonna cringe?
No,
Okay.
of course not. All right, you remember my original F1 build with the SP stars that felt fucking crisp as fuck?
Yeah, and now you've changed it, right?
And then I went with milky tops, and then it felt kind of weird.
Yeah.
All right, I got something for you.
I fucking
Kinda curious
love
now.
knobs.
Simon Kabuki so nut. It is. It's creepy as shit, but it's nice. Hapster. That's
No.
fucking.
That's Radster.
Is it Radster?
Hap is just happy. This has sunglasses, therefore it's rad.
The only keycap that I see now is the Sadster one, like available.
There's no Whatster?
I don't know. On Tech Keys, there's Sadster for like $1.
Have the Bezos credit. Thank you for the Bezos credit. Don't let Bezos have your fucking dollary dues. Give them to Simon, where he will put them to good use.
What's here? What's here?
There's a USB-C cable right there. Nope, other one. Black.
Okay. Do you want to tell me what it is, Nut?
Just type.
Oh, what the hell?
I love your magnificent mane, oh baby.
Is this is what I wrote correct?
You know they don't see the screen, and you're streaming. You
I
are the
know.
streamer. You have to communicate
Okay.
your words.
There's a lot of feedback when you more so with the crispiness of the original build, where you could kind of feel the whole leaf spring gasket. I don't know what you want to call it. This is plateless, right? It sounds, yeah. So you can only really hear the switch. There's no real dampening to the switch at all. And there's a nice consistent vibration across the whole board. How is this mounted?
There's a mount point
But they didn't come
Here?
with a PCB mount, unless it's
Here?
an aftermarket, right?
here, 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 and here.
How's the PCB mounting to the board? Was there an aftermarket kit for it? Okay.
And by aftermarket, it was from Gion, yes. So he had originally sent me the plateless kit when he sent me, or he didn't send me the F1. I bought the F1, and he found out after the fact that I bought an F1 through like normal means instead of like, you know, streamer privilege means.
That's really nice. This is really nice.
So he sent me a plateless kit and an
I
extra
fucking
PCB,
love knobs.
which was the Fave 87. So now I have two Fave 87s, and I hate both. So the reason why I didn't use the plateless kit is I assumed it only worked with the Fave 87. Turns out it works with the Heine, but you have to like really shove it up in the Heine.
It feels really nice.
Thank you Japanese man for the 3 months.
It's not like it's not like the switches are isolated. Isolated might not be the right word, but if you do plateless versus a full plate, like you kind of get the physical vibrations are gonna spread through the plate. It's nice. I like it.
Oh, Max is here.
Max Pog.
He's not even fucking. Doesn't even have an eggplant.
It's nice, but I think I preferred the original with the plate.
I preferred the original with the plate with the SP stars. It felt great. And then when I went to Milky Tops, it fixed the sound, but then it felt like dog shit. Now it feels good again.
What switch is in there?
Milky Tops.
Okay.
58.5.
Yeah, those springs are weird for me.
Max,
but it's nice.
How dare you even ask that fucking question? You know, I'm... SMH my head. What kind of fucking question is that? Fucking asking me if it's fucking linear or fucking tactile. Imagine actually buying MX Tactile unironically. Imagine being Paul.
I fucking love knobs.
Awesome, thank you for the 3 months. Gian, thank you for the 6 months and the magnets. No, but okay. To answer your question, Max, the original batch of SP Star linear grays that I got before the Cuck company ever touched them was so good. It's in my Jaguar now. Have you tried my?
No, the last time I touched your Jaguar was with the Milkies in it.
It's a lot fucking better now.
Yeah.
Yeah, you remember how it felt stiff like my dad?
I fucking love knobs.
I don't know how. I'm not gonna finish that sentence.
It's actually way fucking better now. It's like amazingly better.
Nice.
Like it's so amazingly better that that's the next thing you're gonna try.
That blocker is so clean. Oh. God damn.
Well, we broke a stand. At least it's a stand and not a keyboard. All right, I'll take this.
Oh, and I didn't try with the PC plate either.
Yeah, so I swapped it to a PC plate and I swapped to the SP stars, and it's honestly a lot fucking better. All right, Paul, good luck. That's the second time you do that on stream. Now everybody's gonna clip it and fucking hashtag ruined Jaguar / ruined Jane CE.
No.
Paul ruined $18,000 of keyboards at the same time.
Wait, 18,000?
Obviously they're gonna exaggerate.
Oh.
Put all the caps.
All of them?
Yes, all the caps. It's nice now. I want you to feel the plate feel and enjoy it. Captai, thank you. Take Bezos money. Fuck, I love it when you guys give me the Bezos money. Okay, spring recommendations, TX, or if you can find them, Hojing. If you cannot find Hojing and don't know what the fuck that is, just buy some TX springs, they're nice.
TX do the cherry spec ones now as well.
Simon, you almost threw my Jane on top of a unicorn, 2 Janes, and a Jag. Yes, almost. Almost. It's okay.
Is that age?
Yeah. Simon, what TX spring length do I use? I don't use TX springs. I use Hojing springs and KBD mod springs because I have a very, very large eggplant.
I like the long springs. 60 long are probably my favorite spring. Even over the Hojin springs that I stole from you.
Matthias Tactiles, I'm not a big fan. If you need their silence or their quiet clicks, I guess, okay. But I just prefer to get real Alps. Simon, what's wrong with SP Stars now? There once was this really fucked up vendor that everything they touched just turned to shit.
I love knobs.
And that vendor, who shall be unnamed, ran a very, very large amount of the same switches. So now the molds are fucking wrecked, so they feel like shit. Spell the name of the second spring, Hojing. Hojin. It is a Korean spring made by a Korean man named Hojing. Friday, King Friday the 7th. Thank you For your Bezos money. Fuck, I love it when you give me the Bezos money. It's so good. You have no idea. It warms me inside that Jeff Bezos doesn't fucking keep your $5. He only keeps like what, $250? No, $350. $350.
It's a shame that, you know, the US taxes come into play.
That is what it is. Whatever happened to the Emerald Springs by Rift Keys? That's a good question. I have no idea. Hojing Springs are discontinued, right? Hojing said he was quitting, so they may be discontinued, which is why we bought 10,000. Which board is this now? This is the Singa KBD Jaguar. There was no real like public group buy for this.
Love
And
knobs.
Was there not?
well, there was no public IC, right?
But the group I was, wasn't it?
I don't think so.